Hello?
Hello, I'm trying to reach Darwin.
This is he.
Hey, Darwin, how you doing? This is Frank with FPC. We're trying to come down and see about making an appointment with you within the next week, if that's possible.
Appointment for what there?
We're supposed to come by. I'm with FPC. We wanted to. We have you on file.
What is that? What is FPC?
Sir, your name was left with us, and you're on our file to actually come out and make an appointment with you so we can get your picture taken.
You must have the wrong number. I'm not signed up to take no picture or anything, sir.
Okay, well you're Darwin, correct?
Yes, I am Darwin. And you call Darwin. That's who you call it. But anything about a picture? What's up with a picture?
We've got you on our schedule here, FPC. We have you on our schedule to actually for us to come out to your home and take your picture.
Okay, FPC. Which company is that? What type of picture would I be taking? I'm not taking no picture, but what is FPC?
Okay, you don't know anything about a photo being taken of you?
No, sir. Taken? No.
Okay. Sir, FPC is this is a funeral picture company. Funeral picture company. And what we do is we come out and take your picture and we actually keep it on file. That way, when you do pass away, we have your picture for your program, and we have a nice picture for you.
Oh, man, dude, look, I'm not dead right now. You're not taking no picture of me. Who is this again?
My name is Frank.
Oh, okay, Frank, you mean to tell me y'all taking pictures of people before they die just so you can have their picture on file?
Well, we keep it on file, and then you have a good picture on your program, and that's what we do.
I ain't signed up for nothing like that. Who the hell signed me up for some like that?
I'm not quite sure, but we're trying to schedule where we can come out beginning of next week so we can get your picture taken.
Next week after, you get the picture when I'm dead. You're not taking no picture of me before I die. That don't sound right.
Sir, don't you want to have a good picture on your program?
Sir, you're not taking no picture of me for no funeral arrangements that I'm not dead yet. I don't understand that. What the hell is this about? Nobody who signed me up for it then. Tell me that much.
Sir, I don't have the actual person listed here on who signed you up, but I do have the number, and you are Mr. Darwin. So
I didn't sign up for it, and I'm not taking no picture. You guys run around taking pictures of people before they die just to have a good picture on file? That sounds like some man. I ain't never heard of no like that, sir.
Okay, sir. We have your address here. Are you available?
I'm not available. I'm not available at all to take no picture for a funeral. And I'm not even dead yet. I don't get that. That sounds like a bunch of and who the hell gave you my number? That's what I want to know.
Sir, I'm not quite sure, but one thing we have to do is we have to follow through with our job. So what we're going to have to do is I have to come out there and take a picture.
No.
So I don't want to create a problem, but I have to get a picture of you by next week.
Oh, it's going to be a problem because you're not getting no picture of me for no funeral arrangement.
Mr. Darwin, I have to come by your house at least by Friday at around 12 noon. I'll come by and get a picture.
Friday? You ain't coming by my house no Friday. You a lie. I be come over here to try to get my picture. I got plenty of pictures in my house to put on the funeral program. I'm not taking no picture. That means I'm claiming to be dead. I'm not dead. That's some old bad luck got dead. I don't know who the you work for, Frank, but you got that.
I work for FPC, sir. I work for FPC.
FCC, you ain't not taking no picture of me. Don't come over here Friday talking about no pistol.
Okay,
you better bring your pistol, and I hope they got your picture on file. But that's a stupid company you work for. I ain't never heard of nobody taking no picture before they die. I got millions of pictures in here for that program. And when I'm gone, what the I care about what a picture look like or who has my funeral. This is ignorant. You tell whoever you work for, they need to go find another occupation. That don't make no sense. You're not coming over here Friday, buddy. You come over here if you want to.
Okay, Mr. Darwin.
Yes.
Are you familiar with Glenda?
That's my wife. What the you about to say now?
All I want to do is say this, man. I just want to say Glenda the one that got me to prank phone call you. This is nephew Tommy, baby, from the Steve Harvey Morning Show, huh?
Oh, boy, y'all done lost your life. I ain't never heard of no business like this. Some FPC, funeral, picture taking. Well, man, I said my New Year's resolution, I was going to cut back on drinking, but you got me over here about to tip a bottle right now. Boy, you crazy. Oh, you crazy, man. Hey, come over here today about 4 and get a picture of Glenda. You gonna take a picture. Y'all got me, baby. You got me, baby.
Got you, man.
Man, I ain't never heard of no company like that.
Hey, your wife put me up to it, man. I tell you what, you tune in tomorrow morning, man. You're going to catch yourself on national radio.
Hey, I'm going to tell everybody, boy, they had me hot over here. Don't tell Glenda, but I'm going to have me a drink anyway. I was looking for an excuse to drink. That's right there, a funeral picture taken to put on file. Boy, y'all done lost the half a mind y'all had with that and that, buddy.
Hey, man, I got to ask you something, man. Darwin, tell me this here, man. What's the baddest, and I mean the baddest radio show in the land?
Steve Harvey Morning Wake Up Show, buddy.
Okay, I just caught the tail in.
That was ignorant.
Hey, Thomas. Tommy, you know something, man?
That was ignorant.
I ain't gonna lie to you, dog.
What's up?
Pretty good at this player.
Oh, very
about the
good.
best. No, man. You about the best I've never seen. I've seen a lot of cats do, to be this consistent with it.
He thinks outside the box, yeah.
I mean, just this level of consistency. You know, you got DJs calling people trying to prank them. It work, it don't work. Consistently, man, to do it like this for as long as you've been doing it, you pretty much about the best I've ever seen at it.
Yeah.
But man, let me tell y'all, it takes some time to get a good one. You might have to work all week to get it. You know how many people gonna hang up on you? You know, regular people gonna hang up on you. It's that one fool you gonna find that you gonna keep them to hold that phone long enough that you can get a good one. But most people gonna hang up.
But he said he's gonna get a drink, though. Don't tell his wife.
Hey, y'all. Go ahead, Tom. Go ahead.
Walmart, baby. Walmart. The nephew is in there once again. Church Folks Got a Laugh 2, Volume 2 is in Walmart. What they told me, they got me on the main aisle and everything. 2,500 stores across the country. It is truly a blessing. I will tell you that. That is a blessing.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right.